Look, I know right now the phone is not ringing for a lot of you. It stopped ringing for me. It got really, but guess what? My Google, let me tell you this, my Google My Business online stats have gone in the toilet, 66% less than what we were getting. Here's the interesting part. My blog is through the roof because my blog is writing for people. Listen to this. My blog is writing for people that are looking for a specific solution. I've got this black sooty thing on my Podocarpus, and I don't know what that is. And they're Googling black mold or black disease on Podocarpus, and my blog pops up. And my blog tells them exactly what that problem is and how to solve it. And most of the time, they're going to say, oh my God, this is so complicated. The product you recommend costs $300, mijito. I'm not going to buy this. I said, yeah, we'll solve that problem for you. You see? That's how you do it. You give a solution when the customer figures out that you really need to be a professional at this to handle this and do it, then they will call you. And that's where I end up. So right now, my blog is going through the roof because people are home bored to death and they're solving problems in their home that they haven't dealt with for the last 2 years because they've been busy working. And now they're looking to do that home remodel, fix those plants, do the landscaping, deal with this ficus problem they haven't dealt with. So my videos are going up, yet my Google My Business and because people are searching online in Google My Business for pest control Miami. That's the keyword everybody's fighting for. That thing is $26 a click to do AdWords in Miami right now. If you're going to do AdWords, every time somebody clicks, and it takes usually 10 clicks to get one conversion. So the conversion right now, while the most of the country is probably at $100, if you don't know what you're doing in Google AdWords and you don't have a good manager, that's easy, a $225 conversion. Plus, add to that the trip and the sales charge and the sales commission, and it costs you $300, $350 to acquire that client. While I'm selling it on the phone with free advertising that I invested in for 3 years, and I'm not traveling anywhere, and I'm closing all my business. And if I can't close it on the phone, it can't be closed because it's an issue of price that I'm not going to drop it to half or 3/4 of my price to compete with what they're wanting.